Hi, my name is Janine Poland Townsley, and I'm a volunteer with the Green Building Association of Central Pennsylvania. As you see, we're here at the Yorktown Hotel, and as promised, I told you I would fill you in as to the progress of our 4th annual Green Building Association competition to be held April 15th at the Wildwood Conference Center in Harrisburg.
We had an idea about the categories. I mean, everyone thinks of energy as the main thing when they think of green building, but I think we want to hit a few of the other items. I thought I'd pass it around a little bit and start with Kat. She's our site engineer. Maybe she can make some suggestions about the site credits.
Sustainable site design is very important in LEED design, as well as here at the Green Building Association. We look for sustainable sites that include good access to mass transportation, as well as walking and biking paths, as well as erosion and sediment control practices that are important in order to keep our streams and lakes clean here in the Commonwealth. Also, another important sustainable sites initiative would include water quality and stormwater management as it pertains to the area. Stormwater practices would include groundwater infiltration as well as water quality practices which clean the water before it's released into our streams and other natural drainage channels.
That's great, Kat. I'm wondering if anyone has anything. Neil, do you have anything on indoor environmental quality?
Yes, Steve. Indoor environmental quality is another important aspect of green buildings. This can be achieved through various ways, one of them being material selections to reduce the volatile organic compounds found in carpets and furniture and even paints. Another way to improve the indoor environment is through daylighting, which increases views to the exterior and also reduces the impact needed for interior lighting.
Tyler, maybe we can tie that into energy, as you know, which is the big gorilla in the room anyway.
Yes, certainly, Steve. One of the key areas of indoor environmental quality that Neil was touching on is access to daylight and views. And with access to daylight, it enables you to use less artificial light, which then ties into the next category of credits, which is energy and atmosphere. So if you increase the amount of natural light in a space, you can reduce the amount of artificial light, which in turn obviously saves the energy needed to run those lights. And energy savings is one of the most frequently, thought of areas of green building in general.
It makes me think of a couple things while we're here in York. Materials and resources is a big category too, and one of the things is to reuse buildings, reuse materials as much as possible. And a town like York makes you think of that with all the beautiful old structures around here. Instead of tearing them down, we build a new building and save a lot of energy in the process. Also, construction waste. It's another facet that I think we need to throw in there. I don't think people realize, I think about 40% of the content of landfills by weight is construction waste, and we can decrease that by 75% through green building practices, something that's being adopted by a lot of carriers, haulers, and contractors anyway. I think that hits some of the high spots. We got some great entries in the so far. I think they're all in right now. I think we have 9 excellent entries, so we're really looking forward to the awards selection. A lot of people wonder what LEED is. I mean, we drop the term around a lot. It's an acronym for a concept. I think it's leadership in energy and environmental design. But it's really a concept of how to certify a building for energy efficiency and sustainability.
Progress is really being made towards our 4th annual Green Building Association competition. So I will keep you posted. And one more thing, you don't have to wear green to come to the event.